Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be talking about internal tables. So in ABAP, internal tables serve as arrays. So there are dynamic memory objects. So talking about arbitrary and fixed structure, the nested tables are possible. If we talk about copy on write semantics, you should note that no copy on write support for nested tables is available. There are different table types like standard, sorted, and hashed. Also, there are different access types like non-optimized sequential access, optimized access via index sorted or hashed table key, or binary search starting with NW 7.02 secondary table keys. Talking about some do's and don'ts with respect to internal tables and table types, you should use the appropriate table type and access pattern. Standard table for small tables which are less than 50 entries with various access types. Antique use sort plus binary search for accesses and try to sort only once. Note that loop at where scans whole standard table. Sorted table if generic key accesses is the main access type. Hash tables if single line accesses with full specified key is the only access type. Since NetWeaver 7.02 uses secondary table keys to optimize multiple access types, you should note that building up and maintaining table key consumes resources. And for example, you should not let internal tables become too large. Also, don't access large internal tables in a sequential way. Don't access internal tables sequentially inside nested loops if both inner and outer table grow in increasing data volume. Talking about the do's and don'ts for internal tables while copying data, you should use array mass data processing when filling internal tables. Use array processing for database operations. Copy and fill internal tables efficiently. So use append lines off or insert lines off. Avoid unnecessary copying of data. Use loop at itab assigning field symbol instead of into WA. If itab has a broad structure or is even a nested table, if entries are even modified inside the loop. Example, use transporting no fields if appropriate. You should also note that nested tables are copied partially in an assignment. itab underscore 2 is equal to itab 1. And lastly, you should avoid unnecessary sort operations that is on an already sorted table. So these were the rules with respect to internal tables. In the next video, we will be talking about more ABAP rules. So stay tuned. If you are getting value from the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till we meet again next time, you all take care and goodbye.